How to fix X Twitter LoginError.AttestationDenied problem. Hey everyone! In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the X Twitter LoginError.AttestationDenied issue. If this annoying error keeps showing up on your screen, don't worry. Just follow the steps with me, and we'll get it sorted out in no time. Let's jump right in. First, check your internet connection. Before anything else, make sure your internet is stable. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, try switching over to mobile data. And if you're already on mobile data, switch back to Wi-Fi or try another network. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons this error appears. Now let's give the app a fresh start. Press and hold the X app icon on your phone. Tap the App Info button, the small I icon. In the App Info page, select Force Stop and confirm it by taping OK. Next, go to Storage, and here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, then tap OK to confirm. Then tap Clear All Data, then confirm. This will remove all the temporary files that could be causing the issue. Don't worry, this won't delete your account or posts. It just resets the app's temporary files. Now go back to the home, then open the Google Play Store and search for the X app. If you see an update button, make sure to install the latest version. Keeping the app updated helps prevent bugs and improves performance. If you've tried all the steps above and the error still shows up, don't worry. There's one more fix. Simply uninstall the X app, then reinstall it from the Play Store. A fresh installation usually clears out any remaining issues. And that's it. After following these steps, you should be able to fix the LoginError.AttestationDenied problem and get X running smoothly again.